Today we have Maike MKS. We have the key, Eagle Turbo, single dual. We have 3 different gears. When it's blinking, you can change it. There's 3 gears. Motorcycle horn, left and right signals. This is the light. Wow. There's also remote control for these lights too. That kickstand is really nice. The board is 10.5 to 11 inches. And then about 24 to 26. If it's 24, it stops right there. If it's 26, it stops that far. We also got the seat. Look at these lights, so bright. We got suspension right here. The motorcycle horn. It's foldable also right here. I might have it installed wrong, but it's definitely foldable. The handlebars. Brakes, got the USB. It's got a USB port right here too. See? Turn off the lights. There's also hydraulic brakes. 13-inch tires. These are freaking huge, bigger than my hand. You have another back suspension right here. This is a Samsung battery, 60 volts, 35 amps. I believe this is the top you could get for top specs you could get for in the biggest battery. There's also dual charging ports right here. There's two latches to open the scooter. This is the first one, and the second one's right here. You have to pull that one back. What a beauty. And the seat is removable, by the way. You can take it down